Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the color of third page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the color of third page. Go to the third page. Then go to the page design option and click the background option. Now we can see here some backgrounds like solid color or gradient color. You can choose any, otherwise go to the more backgrounds. Now we can see here open a box, then click the solid fill and change the color. Now I select the green color or blue color, then click OK. Now we can see we change the background color of this page on the third very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.